Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing review. Checking out this meat slicer. This thing looks kind of cool. All right, let's see what we got in here. So there's that. Some instructions. So we got a couple little brushes. Looks like a little thing on the wall we can hang stuff on, a little cleaner. Okay, it's gonna come out of there. All right, in here we have the blades. Caution, blades are very sharp. These are basically like razor blades, I'm guessing, and then you can take out one group of these, so you can make your widths either like that thin, or you can add this back in there. Obviously being very careful. It's going to snap back into place and make some super fine cuts with that, okay? And then we have this thing right here. Looks like this just locks into place. All right. And then once we want to cut our meat there, just slide that down into there and slice it up. Looks like should be fairly easy. Let's get some meat and see how well this cuts here, shall we? All right, here we go. So you want to find yourself a nice smooth, flat surface and put the knife blade guide right onto the top there. And then lock that into place. Make sure your little lever is straight up and down. I had mine a little off, but it still held well. Take the sheath off your blades, and once again, be very careful. These are super sharp. All right, this doesn't cut a whole lot of meat at once, so you can't do it too much. You got to make sure that it's below, the meat is below the guides. Once that's accomplished, you just simply basically run this back and forth, and it's going to cut your meat in there very uniformly. You can do either 2mm or 4mm cuts, and make sure your fingers are not under the blades when you're cutting, because once again, this is quite sharp. As you can see, I had nice meat slices there. I used a turkey meat, so it was a little crumbly, unfortunately. But if you use like you know, beef or mutton or pork or things like that, it's going to hold together quite a bit better. So all in all, does quite a good job. It's not, once again, it's not meant for cutting large portions of meat at once. But for small portions, it does a great job for nice uniform slices there. Pretty easy to clean too. Just use a little brush and hose it off. And also comes with a little blade sharpener. Thanks for watching this review, friends. Have a great day.